Good morning dear students, most welcome in online classes of Sardar Patel Inter College Jaroli Phase 2. Dear students, we are discussing new chapter linear equation in two variables, and this is the video number 8 of linear equation in two variables. In the last video, video number 7, I have told you about exercise 3C till question number 20. The question number 20 was the different type of question, because the other way we are studying about substitutional method, and substitutional method in question number 20 was some different type of question. Now in question number 21, 22, 23, 24 are the same questions as question number 20, but I am seeing that there is a problem you can face in question number 21, 23, 24. Then I am telling you short information about 21, 23, 24. I have tell you some types of questions. If you have any problem in any questions, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, dear students, so let's start question number 21. And the question number 21 is that 3 bracket 2u plus v is equals to 7uv, comma 3 bracket में u plus 3v is equals to 11uv. Okay students, the question is simply as question number 20, but the types of questions are different in your exercise. So please put your mind very attentively in question and solve it. You can solve it, it's not so difficult. So here see 2u plus v, our variables are u and v in this question, u and v. Then in first we have to simplify these two simultaneous equations. How can we simplify these two simultaneous equations? Now first I am forwarding uv here. This equation will be 2u plus v upon uv is equals to 7 by 3. Okay students, and here u plus 3v upon uv is equals to 11 by 3. Okay students, then in this question the next step is uv we can written this equation like this: 2u upon uv plus v upon uv. Okay, we have divided uv in single terms. It gives to 7 by 3 comma u upon uv plus 3v upon uv is equals to 11 by 3. Okay, here u and u cut, v and v cut, u and u cut, v and v. And the next new equation is 2 upon v plus 1 upon u is equals to 7 by 3. 1 upon v plus 3 upon u is equals to 11 by 3. Okay students, now see this equation. This equation is the same type of question number 20. Okay, now you can solve. Okay, then From here, as question number 20, you can solve it very easily. Okay, students? Now let's see question number 22. Question number 22 is very easy. 1 by x plus 2 by y is equals to 2, and 2 by x minus 3 upon y is equals to 1 by 2. Let 1 by x, 1 by y, variables x and y. Let 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. The equation will be a plus 2b is equals to 2, equation first, and this equation is 2a minus 3b is equals to 1 by 2. Multiply, cross multiply or same this equation, solve it and find the value of a and b. And if you want to success to find the value of a and b, then put the value of a and b in 1 upon x and 1 upon y, then you can find easily the value of variables x and y. Okay, students? So these are two questions, question number 21 and question number 22. Let's discuss about question number 23 and 24. Okay, students? The question number 23 is that question number 23 is that 0.4x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.7 and 0.7x minus 0.2y is equals to 0.8. We have solved this type of question previously, students. Okay, this is the decimal expression, and in the decimal expression we can written 0.4x is equals to 4x by 10 plus 3y by 10, remove decimal and increase 0 because the one digit, not count variables, only count digits. Then this will be 17 by 10 comma 7 by 10x minus 2 by 10y is equals to 8 by 10. Okay, students? 10 is here, 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 10 is here. We can remove 10. Okay? So direct we can write this 4x plus 3y is equals to 17, equation first, and 7x minus 2y is equals to 8, equation second. And now we can solve it by substitutional method very easily. Okay, students? So I am giving you some tips in every question. How can you solve it? And if we talk about question number 24, the question number 24 is that x plus y is equal to 5xy and 3x plus 2y is equals to 13xy. Okay, students? And now previous question, x plus y, xy, x plus y, xy. Now xy forwarded, x plus y upon xy is equals to 5 and 3x plus 2y 13. Divide xy on both. X upon xy plus y upon xy is equals to 5 and 3x upon xy plus 2y upon xy is equals to 13. Now we get x remove 1 by y remove 1 by x is equals to 5 and 3 by y plus 2 by x is equals to 13. And this is last previous questions. Let 1 upon x is equals to small a, 1 upon y is equals to small b. The equation will be a plus b is equals to 5, 3a plus 2b is equals to 13, and solve it for variables a and b. Then you can find to the value of a and b, then put the value of a and b in 1 upon x and 1 upon y, then you can find easily the solution of x and y variables. Okay, students? This was question number 24. And here is question number 25 and 26. 26 is the same as question number 24. 25 is some difference question because here is something problem. Now I am telling you, let's see question number 25. And the question number 25, what is question number 25? The question number 25 is that 2x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 2 and x upon a minus y upon b is equals to 4. Let students, let's see. X upon a y upon b is the common terms of both simultaneous equations. Okay students, so let x upon a is equals to m and y upon b is equals to n. Okay, you can do it. X upon a is equals to m, y upon b is equals to n. So then this will be 2m plus n is equals to 2 equation first, and this will be m minus n is equals to 4. Okay, solve for m and n variables. Then when you find the value of m and n, then put the value of m and n values here. Then you can find the value of x and y, and the value will be in terms of a and b. Okay, mean ये कि जब आप m और n की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो आपका जो आंसर आएगा x और y का, वो a और b के रूप में आएगा. उस पर परेशान मत होइएगा कि यहाँ पर x और a दो हैं ना. x और y का आंसर आपका a और b के रूप में आएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 तक बता दिया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 आपको सेल्फ करना है एंड 20 नंबर 7 भी आपको सेल्फ करना है. प्लीज स्टूडेंट, solve the question till question number 27, and next video I will start from question number 28. Okay students, if you have any problem then please contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, then this is video number 8. See it very attentively and I will meet you in next video, video number 9. Then if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe to channel SPIC J2. Okay, and tap the bell icon. Met in next video. Thank you.